What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. In this video, we just gonna be talking about why I got my Charger RT. I mean, it's just gonna be a little simple video. Got a couple reasons, man. Hey, man, I need a redoer. I ordered a new front lip that's coming. I gotta reorder the lights because my lights was messing up on me and everything. And I think I got a solution to how to keep them from messing up on me. Because, you know, we in the Midwest, we get all that snow and stuff like that. So it messes up the connection and corrosion and all that, but that ain't the video. So we just gonna go ahead, hop in Smokey, man. And right now I'm about to go get this smoothie. Bro, if y'all have a tropical smoothie cafe by y'all, it's not sponsored. I wish I was, man, because them drinks is good as hell. I ain't gonna lie. But let's just go ahead, hop in, and get to telling y'all why I got smoker. Might as well give y'all a little cold start. Not bad. I got my daughter with me. She eats snacks. All right, y'all, I got that little drain, man. This is what I'm talking about. This is what it looks like right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. Decent sized cup. It only comes in one size. And it's peanut butter, non-fat yogurt, and banana. And you can get whey protein or you can get pea protein. Bro, this shit is smack. I ain't gonna lie to you. This shit fire right here. Yeah. Look at that, y'all. Just running in traffic. Ran into a little wide body Scat thing. Oh shit, he throwing no rocks at my shit. That shit hard. That red hit. That right here for sure. Let's see. I don't know. He might do something. I don't know. Let's see. He gonna hit that motherfucker? He all calm. I'll go 12. There go 12. Calm with it. He got a 1320 shit on there, so I know he ain't staying calm with it. Where he going? Say goodbye to the bad guy. Join hard though, anyway. Alright, man. The first reason why, like, of course, I'd want a Scat or a Cat, you know what I'm saying? But the first reason was, you know, I needed a car more in my budget. Yeah, I did get this car brand new though. I could have gotten, you know, a used Scat or something like that, but with the way people be dogging these cars, even the RTs, bro, that's probably not the best idea. I mean, still could do it, but yeah. So with this car, I got it brand new off the showroom floor. It has a lot of decent options. It's almost fully optioned out, actually. I got the Alcantara and leather seats. I got the heated and cooled seats in the front. Oh, there goes Supra. And then I got the heated seats in the back. The leather. I got the sunroof. So I pretty much got everything on this car except for Brembos, because some RTs can actually come with Brembos. The Brembos and the sensors in the front that, you know, control how, like, if I put it on, if I put it in cruise control, and it can stay away from this car a certain amount of, you know, space, whatever. And I got this car brand new, low 40s. It was, you know, during COVID, but I feel like it wasn't a bad price, fully optioned out, brand new. You know what I'm saying? Some people be like, well, you could have got it for this and that. Nigga, it is what it is, bruh. You know what I'm saying? It's like, bro, I could die tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? God forbid I do, but I could die tomorrow, bro. So, you know, just live life to the fullest. I'm not saying make stupid decisions, but, you know what I'm saying? Get what you can get, what you want to get, what gives you some fun. Okay, so reason number 2 why I got the Charger RT is it's more reliable. I feel like, you know, with the engine and stuff on the 5.7s, I'm always hearing people saying, you know, it's more reliable. Even though I got that, but that's just an easy fix. It's something with the evap system. It's just a $50 part I have to get. So, yeah. I'm going to get that. I'm going to order it pretty soon. But, yeah, I keep always hearing that the 5.7 is a more reliable engine, and trans is more reliable than the Scats and the Cats. Like, yeah, I said I got that, but that has nothing to do with the engine or the transmission. So, And I had, other than that, and having to replace the evap purge valve that I got to order, I had no other issues with this car. Nothing. And I'm at 56,000 something miles. Other than that, that's the only problem I had. And it's been running real good, real good. Reason number 3, I'm trying to put 3 fingers, there you go. Reason number 3, this car can be boosted. It can handle boost way better than the Scats and stuff like that. Like, so if I really wanted to put power in, you know, put mods to this car to add power like that, it'd be more reliable than trying to do that with a Scat. From what I heard, like I've heard from a lot of people, read a lot of forums that says, you know, the 5.7 is the best car to boost if you're gonna do that. Reason number 4 is not really the reason why I got the RT, but you can get the RT with the same looks as the Scats and Cats. Like, my RT came with the SRT bumpers in the front and the back. I did add the grill, the Scat grill, just to give it a better look, because I did not like that factory grill, man. It had to go. I had to get the snorkels, bro. And to all them people be like, "But you're RT, you're not a..." I'm not false flagging if I'm not up badging R's, nigga. You know what I'm saying? It's like, no, but I just did it for looks. It's not like even if I got a different hood, it's like, I'm not saying, I still, like, if y'all watch the channel, you'll see I still got the 345 on the side. I did change out the back badge, but I still got the 345 on the side. It's not like I'm putting, you know, even if I was to be that cringy and put, you know, different badge on it, y'all can easily tell by my brakes and my wheel gap. Like, anybody that does do that false flag and stuff, bro, come on now, you lame as hell. But yeah, I mean, I do like that, because like the inside, other than the steering wheel, which I can easily change out, but it's like, bro, it's just like the Scats and Cats. It's just, I'm just missing that horsepower. I'm missing an extra 100 to be with the Scats. But if I really wanted to put power into this car like that, I can make it as fast as the Scats, if not faster, if I really wanted to. Well, yeah. And then I think we're on reason number 5 why I got this car. It's a good daily. Not saying you couldn't daily a Scat or even a Cat. Like, bro, like if I had the money and I got a Cat, nigga, I'm gonna want to drive that thing every day. But the RT, I feel like it's a good daily, because you're not paying for premium gas. Yeah, you're paying for mid-grade, but it's a little easier on gas, and it's enough horsepower to get around regular cars like this. Like even if anybody out there has this car, there's nothing wrong with this car. Like, I'm the type of person, I don't care what you have. There's a lot of people in this world don't even have cars, bro. So it's just like, you know what I'm saying? Don't hate on another person's car, you know? That shit lame as hell. But it's enough to get around regular traffic and, you know, be a easy daily. Oh, look at that Lexus. That Lexus is pretty nice. But you know what I'm saying? It's like, it's a nice little daily. I think, what are we on, number 6? Like we just talking about with the gas. No, I'm not paying, no, y'all better not put no unleaded in the RTs. But I do put mid-grade, but it's not as bad as premium, you know what I'm saying? It's not the best, not better than unleaded prices, but it's not as bad as premium. And I feel like, yeah, I can go through gas pretty easily in this car. But if I'm really trying to chill and actually save on gas, I'm not doing too bad. Like, I ain't even gonna lie. But it can burn through gas like crazy, y'all. It's not bad. But yeah, y'all, those are pretty much the reasons why I got this car. I mean, yeah, it's not the fastest thing on earth. You know, it's not beating no Scats or anything, unless I really wanted to try to do that. But, I mean, it's a cool car. I like how it sounds. I like how it looks. And I don't really care. Of course, I probably want to, you know, get a little faster. Like, if I was able to get a Scat, I'd get a Scat. You know what I'm saying? But for what it is, it's a fun car. I ain't gonna lie. I still get people taking pictures of it, taking videos of it, complimenting the color, the sound. It's mine. And so the other cars like it, but this one was mine. You know what I'm saying? But that's gonna be it for the video, y'all. I hope it wasn't too long. I gotta look at the records and stuff. But once again, I hope y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one.